Good morning. We're making a sourdough today. That's starter and this is water. And it's warm water, okay? It's 200 warm water, ml of water. So you just mix it together until you see it's bubbly around. Just like that. Look at our sourdough. It's cooked already. Look. It's crispy in the top. Look at this starter. It's dissolved already, but look at this. It's moving, right? How crazy it is. Look. I'm using non-bleached flour, but you can also use all-purpose flour. So I'm going to add 1 more cup of flour, and then we're gonna mix all together. But this recipe is 3 cups of flour, but I'm just gonna mix 2 for now. But make sure the water you're using is warm to activate the sourdough. And then I add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And this water altogether for 2 cups of flour is 360 of warm water. So this one gonna be sit here around 3 to 4 hours before I'm gonna put this one to the fridge for overnight. So after 8 hours, look at this. Wow. So the house is not really that warm, so it's supposed to be only 5 hours, but I let it for 8 hours. And this is it. So see, this is active sourdough already and it's shaky. Look at that. We're gonna add 1 more cups of flour. So as you can see, like this. Look at that. See, this sourdough is so activated. So we're gonna add the flour. I added 1 cup of flour and then oats, any kinds of oats. It shouldn't have to, but I like it. Another warm water to dissolve those dry ingredients. So after I mix all together, this is the result, and then you don't have to worry. We're gonna put this one in the fridge overnight and we're gonna close the lid. See, rest this one for another 8 hours before we're gonna bake tomorrow. So after overnight, and it's like afternoon already. So this is it. So see, this is it. Look. And oops. There you go. So I'm gonna add cinnamon, pinch of cinnamon. Look at that. Sprinkle a little bit of flour. We're gonna just knead it like this. I washed my hand already. It's hard to do sour bread when I sprain my ankle, but I can do this. Here, push, push, push. The side, I'm just using 1 hand. So just showing you how I did my bread. Not too complicated. See? Just blind it and wiping it like that. Yep. Yep. So I'm using this one. The middle. And then like that. And then we are going to flip it like this. This. And roll over. Oops. It's so nice. And then we're gonna do it again. Like that. We're not done yet, okay? Not that much. I'm gonna give this one to my mother-in-law. Just roll again. See? It's beautiful. We're gonna have this solve that one. me somewhere else. But I don't have to complete everything, guys. Like, that one is circle, it's fine for me. And then ready in the Dutch oven casserole. So I made a slice in the middle, but look at now, it's growing, so we're ready to bake. So cook this for about 30 to 35 minutes for 400 degrees. So 5:19 right now in the afternoon. So this is after 35 minutes. 10 more minutes. I don't open the lid, just let it be like that. It's 41 minutes and decreased to 380 degrees. So it's cooked already. You can just cook with anything like that, and there is nothing like crumbs in it. That is cooked. Look at that. But you can stay more around 5 to 8 minutes to more golden brown. As you can just see, this here, it's crunchy. So total in minutes is 45 to 50 minutes, but I sit there for another 10 minutes off oven anymore, like no more fire in the bottom. So that's equivalent for 50 minutes. Just sit there and covered. And don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. So this is the sourdough for beginners. We don't need to be fancy. Like here, so crispy. Thank you for watching, guys. Look at that beautiful bread, big and beautiful. Look at this loaf, as you can see here, right? It's beautiful. My kids wants Nutella with sourdough.